Hey guys, we got updates from Ireland. The Irish Data Protection Commissioner is going to publish his review of the report today. So what's the background story? We filed these 22 complaints in Ireland against Facebook because of the most basic privacy violations you can think of. Stuff like you deleted information and it's not there anymore, or making access requests and not getting full responses from Facebook, stuff like that. So the Irish made an investigation, and in December last year they were having a report saying what Facebook has to change. That was a step in the right direction, but it was still less what the law actually provides for. So the Irish were really very friendly to Facebook, let's put it that way. They had half a year now to follow up this report and comply with it. And this review today we're going to set out if Facebook was compliant or not. We'll see what the Irish say. So far it seems like they will praise Facebook for being the best privacy corporation ever seen. That is pretty much what they did the last couple of weeks. But hopefully it's any different, but we'll see how it will turn out in the end. What's the bigger picture? Actually, we're right now seeing a little experiment. What happens if you have the most obvious privacy violations and bring them in front of an authority? Will there be any serious enforcement in Europe or not? Because we do have a lot of bashing in Europe against American companies not sticking to these laws, but at the same time we don't really do anything in Europe to make them comply. That's kind of the overarching issue I see in that whole problem. But the report today is not going to be the final decision. We still have our complaints running. They were not decided so far. And the report that comes out today is not legally binding, but our complaints are. So this fall we're going to go through the complaints and we'll get final decisions on them, and that will be then the legally binding decision on the whole Facebook case. So the story goes on, unfortunately. The problem though is that the Irish are so far very favorable to Facebook, so we might be in the position that we need to appeal the final decision in Ireland through the court system and on the European level. The big issue there is still money. It costs a tremendous amount of money to do that. We're talking about 100,000 euro plus. So if you have any possibility to donate something to our NGO, we would be more than happy to get any of it. And we'll see what the Irish say today and where the whole thing is going. We'll keep you updated and keep you posted on all the platforms we're using. And hopefully something turns out into the right direction today and Facebook is not just being praised and parodied as like the best privacy company we've ever seen. We still hope for the best. We'll see what turns out. Talk to you later.